Hello everyone. In the last video, our President Mr. Francis Lim has introduced SMWA, its objectives, and the overview of the industry transformation roadmap. In this video, I will share with you key industry and business challenges and how SMWA seeks to address these issues holistically. Some key challenges that we face will include the fast advancement of automotive technologies, secondly, market saturation, and thirdly, negative perception to the public. Automotive technologies have advanced tremendously through the years. Now already on our shores, we face the hybrid and electric vehicles. Since the early days of Singapore, those plying their trade in the motor repair industry are technicians who receive very basic or no vocational training. Education standards were low compared to current standards. This same group of technicians find it a real challenge to learn new automotive technologies of the modern vehicles. Great efforts have to be made both by the association in developing training courses that can help them upgrade in a comfortable pace, and the technicians will need to sacrifice time and effort to acquire deeper and higher automotive technical knowledge. Automotive courses need to come into Singapore at a faster rate to fit the current industry. SMWA will be working with overseas institutions like Institute of Motor Industry (IMI) UK and local institutions like ITE and Ngee Polytechnic in developing more of these courses to address technical and management competencies. We are hoping that we can get the approval from the government to award training grants and subsidies for our members. We have about 950,000 vehicles in Singapore, and about 600,000 of them are private cars. Serving these vehicles are some 2,500 workshops. There are insufficient vehicles to sustain the business for these workshops in Singapore. This low business volume translates into low business revenue and thus low pay for our workers. Under such circumstances, would bosses consider investing in training, technologies, equipment and others? All these that are happening will cause the workshops and eventually the whole trade to stay stagnant and regress. The motor repair industry is presently in this state. We foresee a consolidation of the motor repair industry as unavoidable, as some motor workshop owners may retire due to age and high business costs. Already, we have seen 40% dropout rate when HDB relocated the old Xingming Industrial Estate to Xingming Auto City. Young Singaporean workers have a negative impression of the motor repair trade. The working environment is harsh and there is no career prospect. We are not seeing much of the ITE graduates joining our trade after their NS stint. They would prefer to apply for easier jobs like retail sales assistants, administrative staff, or being a private hire driver if they have a valid driving license. Are you, as a workshop owner, willing to pay them the same wage, if not higher, since our working environment and working hours are long and harsh? As we see Singaporean technicians retiring, succession will be an issue in the next 5 to 10 years. The void will be too huge to amend. It has come a time where stakeholders and motor repair industry players work towards a common goal to improve the current situation. We need to ensure the upgrading of skill sets and keep up with technology, revamping the image of the motor industry to attract more locals, and lastly, that all of us come together as one to collaborate and improve the industry. In our 2 pillars of industry transformation roadmap, SMWA is adopting the following. The first pillar, which is workshop upgrading and certification, and the second pillar, which is technicians training and certification. Motor repair workshops comes in all shapes and sizes in Singapore. A full spectrum of business set up to serve a full spectrum of car owners. This is common all over the world. Many want to upgrade and keep up with the modernizing of the business world and the ever-advancing automotive technologies. Most find it difficult to upgrade as trial and error will cost them too much. SMWA will work with Spring Singapore to come up with standards for motor repair workshops to benchmark against. This way, you will know where you are in terms of business capability, operation efficiency, equipment adequacy, safety and health issues, customer service quality, business transparency. We will also work with Spring Singapore, WSG, WSHC, SCCCI, Ngee Poly, ITE, and other government agencies to set up courses and consultations for you to upgrade and improve to the next level. The largest group of Singaporean technicians that is working in the motor repair trade are in their 40s and 50s. Today, this same group of technicians will have to handle hybrid vehicles and very soon electric vehicles. Training and upgrade is a must for the automotive trade as the technologies keep evolving every day. For high voltage vehicles like hybrid and electric vehicles, training and certification is compulsory as fatal accidents can happen if not handled properly. There are many more reasons that technicians need to be constantly trained and certified. Competency, safety, career advancement, productivity, and keeping oneself relevant. SMWA has been working with ITE and Ngee Polytechnic in providing courses for our technicians to upgrade themselves. We are proposing to certify technicians who have completed their training courses and prominently displaying the badges on their working uniform so that they are recognized for their competency and effort. We are also proposing that all technicians should attend and pass a basic skill evaluation test, having evaluated their automotive skill and knowledge. SMWA will have a series of courses for them to upgrade themselves. In this way, each technician will be able to improve themselves and progress in their career, making them competent and valuable as they progress in the trade. Having explained the current situation that our motor repair trade is facing now, and may I recap that firstly, it is the fast advancement of automotive technologies, secondly, market saturation, and thirdly, a negative perception to the public. SMWA is working hard to transform the motor repair industry with the two pillars, which is upgrading and certification of motor repair workshops, and secondly, the training and certification of motor repair technicians. Stay tuned in our next two videos as we will explain in depth about these two projects. Thank you very much.